Customer complaint, slight vibration. Let's see what we got.
Customer complaint, radio makes a strange noise. How do I fix this?
On today's episode, that's fucked up.
It's fucked up.
That's fucked up.
Customer states on the Ford that his four-wheel drive is not working.
Customer states brakes just started making noise.
Customer states tire is wobbling.
116.
We have a new record, ladies and gentlemen.
Customer states, my car sounds like the Wheel of Fortune.